KC Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, almost spring-like today with temperatures near 80 this afternoon, and the dial gets switched past fall straight into winter going into tomorrow. A wind chilly day, temperatures dropping into the 30s and wind chills in the lower 20s tomorrow morning, and they stay in the 20s most of the day. Tomorrow night, those wind chills upper teens to lower 20s. We'll show you that in just a bit, but time to bundle on up. Strong cold front, straight delivery of Canadian air coming from Canada now over the nation's midsection, and that's pushing this strong cold front. Snow on the backside of it, even a wintry mix as far south as portions of Arkansas and then back through South Texas in the hill country, but we're not going to see any wintry precipitation here. No road travels. I've gotten all those questions, and yes, all schools are open tomorrow as well. Here's the radar showing the frontal boundary. We could see it pretty good a little bit earlier, but it's pushing through Lafayette. As you saw, Kendria, we put that poor girl out in the rain there with the wind picking up, and more rain and moderate rains up toward the central part of the state. There is even some, I got a report up toward Alexandria of some soft hail, which is actually grapple, which is a funky process that's going on, but nothing that's sticking to the ground. But there's some dynamics with this front. That means it's going to get gusty behind the front, and there's some real cold air coming in as well. Hard freeze watch in effect for tomorrow night. This is all for tomorrow evening into Wednesday morning, exception being the freeze warnings that we have off to the east of us. Freeze watch for the coastal parishes. That may change to a hard freeze warning as well. So bottom line, temperatures heading for the mid-20s tomorrow night, and prepare the pipes for 12 hours of sub-freezing temperatures. So it is going to be cold, but a one-night only type of an event. Temperatures here they are, upper 70s this afternoon at 1 o'clock, but here comes the front just about knocking on the door of Lafayette. Abbeville with winds picking up here. Opelousas already down to 58 degrees, 55 in Jennings, and Lake Charles at 53, DeRidder at 49, and lower 40s as you go farther off to the north and west along I-49. So here comes the front. It pushes on through. The pressure gradient's tight, so it's going to be windy through tomorrow morning. You're going to hear the gusts going later on tonight, 35, 40 miles an hour. The house will be creaking a little bit as well. All precip is done by tomorrow morning, so no hopes for winter precipitation on this one. But clouds early, and then they thin out late in the day, but temperatures will be hard-pressed to get into the lower 40s tomorrow afternoon. Then plain old cold tomorrow night, especially as winds diminish and skies clear out. We'll have an excellent shot at mid-20s. By the way, the record for Wednesday morning in Lafayette is 27 degrees set in 1911. I think we might beat that, and it's never good to forecast a record, but we're going to go with the exception at this time. Temperatures low to mid-30s tomorrow morning, so near freezing first thing in the morning for northern parishes. We'll go 33 to 35, the I-10 corridor, and pretty much the same to the south as well. Low to mid-30s. Hard to believe we're going to be that cold first thing in the morning, and then tomorrow during the day, we're hard-pressed to make the lower 40s. Then the colors get even more purple tomorrow night as we get even colder. We'll see temperatures reaching the lower 20s, 23. Opelousas and Ville Platte looks good. Mid-20s, I-10 corridor holding true at this point. The numbers haven't changed significantly, and mid-20s to upper 20s along the coast as well. That's why we might see a hard freeze warning there as well. And the wind chills tomorrow morning, lower 20s, and they stay in the 20s most of the day. We might see a wind chill above the freezing mark, but not for long. And then tomorrow night, wind chills upper teens to lower 20s, and then we start to warm up after Wednesday morning. And as for the winds, the model may be overdone, but expect the wind gusts in the 30 to 35 mile an hour range. Might see a few gusts to 40, especially after the precip moves on through later tonight through tomorrow morning. And a blustery day with those winds gusting throughout the day, but not as strong as we head into tomorrow afternoon. So here's your 24-hour forecast. Temperatures in the 30s most of the day, and wind chills in the 20s most of the day. And then by this time tomorrow night, we may be below freezing already with a north wind at 9. Oh, that's going to be cold. Big jackets out for tomorrow and big coats as well. Temperatures moderate a little bit. We have some rain on the way for Thursday, and then it chills out and it quiets down Friday, Saturday, and Sunday with temperatures in the 50s. Lows a little frosty, though. Way ahead of schedule this time of year. So wonders what the rest of the winter may be like.
Well, we've got a 70 down there on the back end of that.
There's a 70 down the end, and we can still see 80, and we can still see 15 before the year is done.
All righty. Thank you, Rob.